Gold is a precious metal with very particular attributes. It's the most malleable and ductile of all known metals. When flattened, a single ounce could produce a 5 by 5 meter sheet of gold. However, many are unaware that wearable gold can wear away over time since pure gold is so soft. George Steinhauser, a chemist at Vienna University of Technology, conducted a study on this in 2008. Steinhauser wanted to measure how much gold would be lost by wearing a gold ring while performing normal daily activities. Steinhauser was to get married and decided to weigh the ring once a week over the span of a year. Steinhauser's study showed that the ring decreased in weight by roughly 0.12 milligrams per week. Though this number proves low, one can still prevent loss by removing gold rings before participating in physical or extraneous activities. Despite gold's softness, it's a strong metal that doesn't tarnish with age. When properly cared for, gold can last indefinitely. Call the number on your screen or click the link below if you'd like to learn more about gold's place in history or gold's place in your portfolio. And check out the Did You Know playlist on our YouTube page to see more interesting videos about gold.